So Kajabi versus Hotmart. If you're asking yourself this question, you're in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to showcase the main differences between these two platforms so you can understand which is the best fit for you if you are building an online business. And now, full disclosure right off the bat, I use Kajabi. I have been using Kajabi since 2018 because it is the right fit for my online business. More details on that inside this video. So to kick things off, I'm just going to jump straight on over into Google. So here we are just on Google, and I've just Googled what is Hotmart because the AI overview is just going to summarize this pretty succinctly for me today. So Hotmart is an online platform that enables creators to produce, sell, and market digital products like online courses, ebooks, and video classes. So think digital products and think a marketplace. This is where you're going to get in front of people to buy certain digital products. Kajabi isn't a marketplace. Kajabi is an online platform for you to build your own business. So what is Kajabi? Kajabi is an all-in-one platform for creators to build, market, and sell digital products like online courses, memberships, and coaching programs. But the main difference between these two is Kajabi is not a marketplace. You have to go and build your own online digital footprint, build your own audience to then send them over to your Kajabi website so you can sell your digital products. Hotmart is the opposite way round. It is a marketplace where you build digital products or affiliate to digital products and sell on their own platform. So here we are on Hotmart. You can see everything there is to know about Hotmart. It has a members area for you to log in and build out these courses. It has an academy. It has some resources for you to learn how to put this platform together. But then if you click over to the marketplace, this is basically like you as an end user. What do you want to learn today? So you might search a topic that you want to learn, and then some of the Hotmart programs or affiliated programs will come up. So you can just have a look at these and then purchase these programs right from this marketplace. Whereas Kajabi is a little different. If I was to go onto kajabi.com, some of the products that you can build with Kajabi, online courses, coaching, podcast membership, communities, newsletters, and downloads, building this out within the Kajabi platform on your own domain for you to then direct traffic to that platform. So here we are on the Kajabi pricing, whereas Hotmart is free. There's no monthly price, but you're going to pay a certain percentage of everything you sell. So they're going to take a cut. Whereas it's the opposite for Kajabi. Kajabi don't take a cut, but there is a monthly membership fee for this. Here it's an annual 20% off or a monthly. If you go with the monthly, then there's Kickstarter starting at $89 a month, basic, growth, and pro. Personally, I am on the growth plan. This is all I've ever needed really for my online business, but I did start on the Kickstarter, work my way up to basic, and now I'm on the growth because my business grew with this platform. So try and identify, if it's Kajabi that you're after, try and identify the best plan for you and then start with that plan. If it's Hotmart, if you want that marketplace, well, you can just start for free and then build out your content for that marketplace. But like I said, I am a Kajabi user, have been using it for a number of years, and I can showcase exactly what Kajabi looks like from the inside. So Kajabi is so powerful. It's got everything in one place that you're going to need to build an online digital business. So all the products are down here on the left-hand side. You can have courses, coaching, community, podcast, newsletters, downloads. If I just go into one of my courses, I'm going to pop out one of these programs here. This is my Kajabi Unbox program. This is the program I offer to people signing up to Kajabi with my link. And this is what it looks like. It's a clean, professional look, but this is all inside my Kajabi account. So people are going to need to go onto a landing page or a checkout page, sign up to this program, create a login, and then have access to their own library. So this is what it's going to look like inside of the user account, where it's going to look very different if you're on the Hotmart marketplace. Then you have everything to do with sales. You can build out offers and checkouts. You can link up to different payment providers, websites. You can design your own homepage and landing pages. You can link it up to your own domain. So if you blog, this is brilliant because you're putting traffic or putting blog posts out there to direct traffic to your main domain. Even comes with its own branded mobile app if you go for the top whack Pro subscription. Marketing, this comes inbuilt with email campaigns, and you can have all of your contacts in here. So this is a good way of a CRM or a learning management system here. It's got a great analytics dashboard and just so much more. Rather than go through everything inside of my Kajabi account, you just got to identify the main differences between these two platforms. Ask yourself, have you got a ready-made audience? Well, if you have, Kajabi might be for you. If you haven't, then Hotmart might be for you. If you can create that digital content or affiliate to digital content and then sell it on a ready-made marketplace. So there we have it, the main differences between these two platforms. Hopefully you should identify with one or the other by now. But if you are looking at Kajabi and you want to take it out for a spin, I can get you a free 30-day extended trial. That's over double the 14-day trial available to the public just by using my link. All you have to do is head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and sign up using my affiliate link. Yes, this is an affiliate link, but all that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel if you choose to go over those 30 days free trial and know it and love this platform to build your entire online business like me. But if you decide to sign up using my link, as a thank you from me, I'm going to send you a free program. It's called Kajabi Unboxed. It's my program that I've put together within this platform, the one I just showcased, for you to unbox your Kajabi account in the right way, ready for scale. And if you continue over those 30 days and use this for your entire online business, then as a second thank you from me, I'm going to automate you another program. It's called Kajabi Sales Page Templates. Just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com. Show me that you're a Kajabi customer and you're going to get access to this second free program. All you need to do is download these templates from this program and upload them into your Kajabi account, and they're going to build out your sales pages as a start for 10. These are the sales page templates that I use in my online six-figure business. That link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Check out all those awesome bonuses on that page. Hopefully this video has provided you with some value in terms of Hotmart or Kajabi, which one is for you. And I look forward to seeing you on the very next video.